Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail Ya Got. Oh my gosh, people, I am so excited. I love clear jelly stuff. I don't know, like I love Maniology, but I just very infrequently use clear jelly or order from them that I just feel so special when I get it. So I ordered another one of their mystery boxes. Let me find out which one it was. Okay, I'll pause the video so I could look it up. This one is, obviously, it's the winter edition, but this is the Maxi box, and it was $99.95. There was a box that was more expensive than this, but y'all, that wasn't in my budget. I was lucky this was in my budget. So, for whatever reason, I didn't have to pay shipping. Maybe it was because I was over a certain amount, but it really did cost just $99.95, which I thought was really cool. Anyway, I don't know about you, but I'm super excited to like jump in and get started. So it just comes in a very plain, let's see if I can take it over here so I can show you. Just a plain, like this is the size of the box. So, you know, just a regular old box. Let me see if I can remove some of this tape on the outer edges. And we shall open this box up then. I think there is a lot of tape. Goodness gracious. Like, I'm glad because, you know, we're really making sure that our stuff is taken care of. Okay, so I'm gonna open this thing. You guys will see what I see, hopefully. Can I even make this go further up? Okay, let's go for it. I don't know what that is, but I love it. Okay, this has got to be a plate organizer, which is awesome because I have none of the clear jelly plate organizers. So I'm excited, you guys. Okay, I don't want to freak out too much. I'm not looking. I'm going to take all of this out and get rid of the box so I can have a moment with my clear jelly stuff. Okay, try to readjust again. Okay, I think you guys can see stuff. Okay, yes, let me figure out how I want to do this. We'll just take out one thing at a time. This is very cute. And it looks great quality. Let's open it. I know that's annoying, sorry. It's got the little CJS logo. When you open it up, I wonder what size these hold. And what is this floppy thing? These must be the big plates. So I saw a big plate in here. Let's grab a big plate. Just see if that's... This is one of their extra large plates. So yes, that's great because I have the most of these. So this is a holder for the extra large plates. My guess is you can only fit one per sheet. I wouldn't want to do more than that. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of sheets though. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think 10. So, I mean, I probably have finally 10 of them. Uh-oh, I'm trying to open this thing. Okay, so that this can sit better in there. Anyway, this is a really cool binder. I love the design. I think it's super cute, and I needed it, quite frankly. So that is a great item for a mystery box. Way to go. Let's pick out that. Let's grab the plates that we can see. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys have just got so excited. Oh my god. Okay, let's just have a look at what these are right now. It's supposed to be winter themed, so what? Oh, duh. But bear with me while I open these. My fingers don't work. I'm so excited. Okay, so this one is CJS 260, and we've got like little different floral designs on here. Flirty and fierce. Meow. Flirty but fierce. Okay, not what I expected when I expected what's it called? Winter themed, but will I probably use these? Yeah, probably. And I like the little leopard design. That's really cool. It's nice to be able to do that without hand drawing those. And I love their little sheets that they've started to include that kind of show you this. You can see right on top of your nail what it will look like. So I love, love, love these sheets. And the little tutorials that show you kind of how, like step by step, this one plus this one plus this one. These were so needed with these larger plates, or with any of their plates really, because they're just so intricate and detailed, and they're just above and beyond. Okay, let's see. The next one. Okay, fingers, you have to work. Like, we cannot mess around with you anymore. These plates are expensive, y'all, with clear jelly stamper, like, no joke. So this is CJS 274. It looks like it's just a bunch of different stars. Now, this one makes me think winter theme. So we've got, like, the star designs, and we've got they look more starry and snowflakey. You could definitely do some playing with that. So just to kind of see what these images would look like over top of your nails. I love these clear sheets. I just think they're so, so great. So that's a pretty good winter theme. Love, love, love it. Kind of Christmassy, but winter theme nonetheless. Okay, this one is definitely Christmassy. Over here we've got the CJS C76, and we've got Holly Jolly Pinup Christmas. Meow. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then we've got little, those are cool little ribbons and bows and presents and ornaments, and oh, a martini for you. And I like that. That's really cute. So that would look super cute over a nail. Very, very neat. Okay, so that's a great Christmassy one. So here's your, okay. I see you, Clear Jelly. I see you. Oh, these are cute. They're ornaments. And again, wintry, Christmassy theme. Out of here. And we've got CJS C75. Merry Christmas. We've got a Christmas tree and a cute little snowman and lots of different ornaments and stars and shapes and Christmas trees. So once again, very Christmassy, very much what I would expect to get in a winter box. So a little bit late for me, but it did take a long time. I think I ordered this December 7th. And it's now January 3rd, and it finally got to me. Okay. I need to breathe for a minute. Okay. Oh, a stamping polish. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's stamping polish. This is a green one. 077. Just a dark, super rich green. Very great for Christmassy kind of colors. Very good wintry color. Nice stamping polish. Okay? There's that. I'm just reaching in. I want to get this out. I know what it is. Okay. It's a foldable smartphone stand. I don't know why Clear Jelly would get me this, but thank you, Clear Jelly. I guess this would actually really help if you were like trying to watch tutorials. I used to do this all the time when I was first starting out. I would watch YouTube tutorials and I would try to set my phone up and it would always fall over. So this is actually super helpful. Okay, I see where you're coming from. I like it. I wouldn't know that they would include that, but okay. What's next? Oh, okay, we've got some tools. Is that a new cotton cloth? Okay, so we've got two different cuticle pushers with different ends on either side. I prefer this one to kind of cut off certain things. Sometimes it's not very sharp, though. I'm kind of hoping this one is very sharp. But let me see. Come on. Oh, no, it's not coming. It's not gonna do it. I guess I gotta poke it out. I can do it. Okay, this one's not super duper sharp, but it's still like a cutting tool, and I really like that as opposed to this scraper kind of thing. Let me get this guy out of here. As opposed to this kind of hook thing, which this one can be very useful as well. But tools are always a nice gift because I don't know about you guys, but I am hard on my tools and I end up replacing them quite often. And a looking good cotton grabber guide. I have that plastic sound. It's like super annoying. I have scissors, people. I promise. I do have a brain and I can figure out how to get the plastic off. Okay, let's see. Okay, nice size. So what you do with this, if you don't have one of these and you're a stamper, you need to get one. Just a minute, I gotta get some cotton. Okay, found them, they were in my drawer. So when I open this, and then it sucks up that cotton, and then you put your acetone on here, and you can do acetone hands-free, which is really, if you protecting your nails, it's really important that you're gonna do that hands-free, okay? I'm having a little bit of drama because my phone isn't used to standing this so tall. Okay, so that's, again, a great tool. So 3 really nice tools. Way to go, Clear Jelly Stamper. I don't know what this is. Is it a giant brush? is it a face brush? Clear Jelly, oh, it's so soft and it's so pretty. And it's a little duster brush. Love, and love. I think it's going to be a great little duster brush. You could always use more duster brushes with your filings and all different kinds of stuff. And the iridescent kind of shimmer to it is really cool looking. So, gosh, you guys, super soft. Like, kind of want to use this on my face. Super soft. Anyway. Okay, anyway, great tool. Again, nice job. Nice job. Another stamper. You guys, I just ordered a brand new Maniology stamper head, and my very first time using it on camera, totally broke it. Like a ding dong. This is like a square stamper. I don't have a square stamper from Clear Jelly Stamper. So, very excited about this. This is the same, I don't know what Clear Jelly calls theirs, but this is the ice cube stamper for Maniology. That's what they call theirs. And I love that Clear Jelly has this really nice lip around the outside of their stamper so that the stamper head can't push too far in, which is really, really nice. That, and of course a second one. This is a nice stamper and fancy, like holographic F to the UN, fun. Love, love, love. So this is going in my drawer for sure to be using it soon. Okay, I got a candy cane, y'all. Okay, I'm sorry, I got crazy. I got a candy cane, so that's very sweet. Looks like we have more polishes, so let's dive in. Okay, Christmassy colors, so this is a red. Very bright, vibrant, like fiery red. Orangey, kind of little orange undertones to it. So we've got a green and a red, which are great Christmas colors. Let's find out what's next. A blue. Okay. A shimmery blue, nonetheless. It's not shimmery. Not shimmery at all. I hope it's focusing. I've been so focused on getting the things out and looking at everything, I haven't even really noticed if you guys are in focus or not. So I hope this video doesn't suck a lot. I'm sure my excitement will make it suck a little bit, but maybe it won't suck a lot. I might have this color, but I don't. I do have something similar in Maniology color. Of course, I mean, it's a gold stamping polish. Super excited about what it stamps like, and I know it's going to stamp well because Clear Jelly Stamper does. So those are really good Christmas colors. Like, can you imagine? Those are great. These two go well together. So that was a really nice thing going on there. Are these? Wait a minute. Let's find out what that is. What is this? 2 pairs of socks in the color blush. That looks black. Fits all sizes up. What a weird thing for Clear Jelly Stamper to send me. Do you think they just get good deals on really weird random stuff? I don't have any of these. These are really cool. I have gigantic feet though, like I wear size 11. I'm not sure these are gonna fit. I don't really believe it when it says one size fits all, but they're fancy and I do wear lots of heels. So I'm kind of wondering if that would, like, are they slippery? Like, these are sticky. Is that to stick to the inside of your shoe? Do you wear these with shoes? Somebody explain these to me. I don't know what they are. It does say that they're socks though, so 143, label 143. A weird item to put in a nail kit, but I ain't mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Okay, and then I think we're nearing the end. They have this in all of theirs, and it says how to use your Clear Jelly Stamper if you need to pause or read. It just gives you some general tips and tricks, and make sure that you can get your image off on the first time, because they know that stamping, like every stamping company knows that stamping for first timers is hard. Okay, so I'm guessing this is more polishes. Be still, my beating heart. What? Y'all, let's get them out of here first. Oh my gosh. Are you for reals right now? These are excellent colors and they go so well together. Does this have like a name or something? Midnight Soiree. It does remind me of Midnight. I love their boxes too for like storage. This is a really great box to just, I mean, it's just cute all around and it's got a magnetic closure. So it's a really nice thing. So if I take that out of there, I don't need to have this in there. I can put more polishes in there. Or I can put whatever I want in there. It's like a twofer. Anyway, so we've got like this Midnight Soiree. We've got a, let's look at all the numbers. 197, 198, 199, and 200. So we've got like a creamy beigey color. Come on, focus on my hand. Focus. Focus. You can do it. Okay, so we've got like this creamy beigey brown color. There we go, getting a little bit light. I'm going to scoot you guys in. Just the quality on this video, you guys, I'm so sorry, has been horrendous, and it's totally my fault because I was so excited I just couldn't wait, you guys. Okay, and then this, like, is this a burgundy? Like a really deep, rich, like Bordeaux color? Oh yeah, it is. A super dark red. Like almost brown dark red. That's just a really pretty color. Let's put the brown or the beigey brown next to it. I'll just do a swatch of all of them on here. Those go so well together. And then the number 199. This is just a shimmery kind of purple shade. More like a burgundy. Purpley. Not so much rust, but purple. Ooh, pretty. Pretty. And this one just makes my heart sing and smile. It's like a silver gray, and it is very pretty, like a gunmetal gray kind of. Just the combination of all the colors together is super great. I'm freaking out a little bit. Are you kidding me right now? Clear Jelly Stamper, you're kind of amazing. That was another great haul. Like, I mean, I'm just kind of trying to put prices together in my head, but between the, what do we get? 8 stamping polishes. We got 8 stamping polishes, a brand new stamper. We got two of the large ones and 2 of the, or extra large ones and 2 of the smaller ones. So 4 stamping plates, some weird socks, great tools, really nice tools. We've got our amazing fluffy, super duper fluffy brush. We got, oh yeah, that's a big purchase item in itself, is our booklet for our storage. And the weirdo socks. We just got a lot of stuff, y'all. We got a lot of stuff. So once again, Clear Jelly Stamper, thanks for, oh, I forgot the foldable phone stand. It was a lot. So I love that they throw in like really kind of weird stuff too. It just, I don't know. It's different, it's unexpected, and it's what you kind of want in a mystery box, is something that you don't expect. So I think they do a really good job with their mystery boxes. And it doesn't look like they overlapped any of the autumn stuff with the winter stuff. If you got stuff in both boxes that were kind of the same, let me know, because I'm curious about that. I was a little worried about ordering the different ones because I thought that maybe some of the stuff would be the same. But in mine, it didn't seem that way. So super excited about my haul, and great mystery box, Clear Jelly Stamper. And people, just in case you want 10% off of your order, I don't know, I'm just flabbergasted, you guys. I don't even know what I'm saying next because I'm so excited about organizing all this stuff and putting everything away. Anyway, if you want 10% off of your order, you can use the code GrooveMama. I'll put it right up here for you. The code GrooveMama at the Clear Jelly website. Also, if you use the link that's in the description, you will be able to get directly there and get 10% off of your order. So, people, that was fun. Thanks for joining me. And until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!